Hi everybody and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis, and today we'll be looking at one of our favorite coin on the channel, and it is Chainlink or Link. If you like the channel, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, share with your friends, and let's move over to the charts. Right, and today the price for Link is about 5.82%. Sorry, $5.82. We were down about 9%. We have been expecting this downward move for Link, right? And we said in some of our past analysis, right? If you look at 7 days, had a huge bump up for Link here, right? But we came down to the $6, but we're saying we should expect Link to come down to about the $5, and you could see a gradual move downwards even to the $5 range. We would be moving over to the charts to try to predict where we believe Link should be in the next few days, few hours, few minutes. Right. So let's go to the chart, right? This is the chart on the weekly, and we love to begin our analysis from the weekly because it gives us a very, very huge context and a very, very good analysis as regards Link, right? Because the way crypto, it's better to get your analysis from the larger to the lower time frames, right? The larger time frames are mostly right uh, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, right? And since when went below our EMAs, we said were bearish, we came above a bit, right? And we're bullish, but the ones who came into the EMAs, we said were very bearish, and we can see that we have been having further downward price pressure since then. If we pull up the indicator shows that probably we should still be expecting furthermore downward price action even for the price of Link, both from the RSI and both from the stochastic on the weekly. Right, so probably we should still be expecting further downward more price pressure for Link at this point in time. If we move over to the 3 days time frame, same thing, not change in anything, went above, had some little consolidation, faked a lot of people out to the upside. Now we are pulling that downwards, right? But the indicators cannot be fooled. We're expecting this downward move. We knew this was right, quite a fake balloon pump, and we said probably we should be expecting more downside as the stochastic were both very, very oversold, and it was a matter of time before we see the prices move back downwards. And you can see our stochastic, both on our stochastic and its RSI, having a very bearish divergence and probably still has upward more downward pressure to go. So probably we should see more downward price pressure even for Link. If we move over to the daily time frame gives us more perspective. We saw a pump and we saw a huge dump as regards the FTX situation with Sam Bankman-Fried and all the other things. And so there was always going to be a catalyst that was going to move the coins down. But as we can see, FTX. I'm sorry if you were part of those affected, right? And we can see prices of most coins are down. If we move over to this chart gives us more context as we expected the $5 range. We have been talking about the $5 range, and we expect the $5 range to hold a bit, right? But if we put up our indicators are telling us probably we should see some little downside, probably a week down maybe even to the $4.5 range just a week, but because we can see money flow, not a lot is leaving Link, right? But not a lot is also coming in. As you can see, our oscillators are also at one of their lowest points, right? The blue signifies liquidity, so we have lots of liquidity for Link at this area. So probably we expect Link to hold at this area. If we push up to the 3 days time frame, telling us the same thing, that there's quite a lot of support, quite a lot of money holding up for Link, and not a lot of people are selling. And so we expect Link to hold up probably just a week down to the $4 region, and then we hold still If we look at our money flow, it's saying money is leaving link, as we can see. Now, yes, it's in the money flow said it's leaving right at this point in time. And we said we're expecting more downward price pressure even for link. Same thing with oscillators. The oscillators telling us we still have a little more downwards to go. So probably we could just see a week downwards to the further level. Probably we should still see uh, uh, link move over even to the upside, right? If we push even down to the daily for link, same thing, a lot of liquidity here. Probably we'll just see a wick down to take out a few stop losses and then we're back up for link at this point. Pull up the indicators on the daily saying the same thing, right? Money flow, money is leaving link down to the downside. Same thing with the oscillators. We're seeing the oscillators turn downwards. So probably we're having a lot of money leaving link at the moment. For shorter time frames such as the 12 hours, we're turning bearish, right? We're formally bullish as a result of the EMA ribbons, but we're turning bearish, which is very bad for link, as you said. A lot of support, still holding support, links holding its support like a boss, right? And we could see that we have huge liquidity levels at this area, and we expect link to hold, right, for the next few days stroke hours, right? So probably that's it for link, right? If you like the channel, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Don't forget, this is not investment advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes. Thank you and have a great day.